Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to release the water from an electric water heater, or otherwise called boiler, through a relief valve. And actually, how can you drain off your water tank from that electric boiler? First of all, make sure that the two valves of the boiler, of the inlet water and the outlet water, it's closed, and then you can start to work with that. I'm using a silicone transparent tube to release the remaining pressure from the boiler through the relief valve, and that makes things easier to do not spray everywhere the water from the system in the bathroom. Then I'm using a key to remove one of the pipes or tubes or whatever that thing called from the valve, to create a vacuum in the boiler itself, and then I will let the gravity to work, and the water will simply flow out from that boiler, from that tank. If you blow just a bit, then it helps the boiler much faster to pick up and to drain out the water, and after that the rest will be done automatically, so you will see. What we see here is how the water escapes from the boiler through that relief valve. So if you think this video were helpful for you and you were able to release the water from your electric boiler, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because it means a lot to me. Thank you very much.